Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and in this video we'll show you how to replace the power and heater switches in your cotton candy machine. Now first and most importantly, the power will need to be unplugged from the machine to avoid any injuries from electrical shock while you're working on it. The next thing you'll want to do is to remove the two silver shields that are underneath the spinner. These are each held on by 3 screws for a total of 6 screws that have to be removed. The next thing to do is remove the top cover plate from the machine, which is held on by 2 screws. And with those screws removed, the plate simply lifts off. Now with the cover removed, unplug the 4 wires from the back of the switch. And now squeeze the top and bottom of the switch and push forward with a rocking motion until the switch pops out from the front of the machine. Replacement switches are available through Vivo. Please contact our customer support team for details on ordering. Now, snap the new switch in by pushing it back into the socket and then plug the wires into the new switch in the same way that they were connected to the old one. If you have any other questions about the process, please feel free to contact our customer support team and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.